In front of me is Tecno Spark Go 2024, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now to add any photo, use this plus at the bottom left corner, and if it's recent, click on it here. If it's not, select Gallery section on the left, look for it here, click on the chosen ones and attach them thanks to add button actually, at the top right corner. If you still can't find your photos, click on Gallery icon one more time, select Folders and look for it here. Then to attach it, tap on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!